Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to finish knotless braids in half the time with double the precision. I'm going to start by parting the hair into 3 sections, and I'm going to keep each section separated by using a rubber band or an elastic band, whatever I have. So now I'm going to go in and do a middle part, and I'm going to do this by standing directly in front of my client and starting at the bridge of her nose, and I'm going to go back. Once I have my middle part successfully placed, then I'm going to go in and start to make the rows starting from the middle part down to her ear. So this particular client is getting medium, and my medium knotless consists of 5 rows from the middle part to the ear on both sides. So I'm going to put 5 rows going from the middle part to the ear, making sure they're equal in width. This method takes me about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the client and the size of the braids, and it saves me about 2 to 3 hours. She wanted extra full boho knotless with the ombre at the end, so that's what I'm doing. So I finished the front half effortlessly, and then we celebrated with a glass of wine. Shout out to my client, I love her. As you can see, I am moving on to the next side, and I'm doing the exact same thing that I did on the other side. If you notice, it's going to be really repetitive. Now that I have my rows completed, I am going to make my boxes for my braids, and I'm just going to put a little twist in it just to keep everything separated. That way, when I go into braid, I don't have to stop after each braid. Everything will already be parted for me and ready to go. took me 8.5 hours total to complete. I love how full her hair turned out and the curls was just popping. Everything was giving what it was supposed to give.